Hey Leslie, so I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. So let me make this quick demo for you. So in your email you said you're known for brilliant shimmering colors. So let me try to make that for you. So here I'm going to download the Teleplay app. Right now PicPulse is within the Teleplay app. It will be its own app very soon. When it'll be its own app, the only difference will be that it'll remove some buttons which are currently superfluous in this application. So, but anyways, that's why I'm doing this demo. So make sure to click on allow. Okay, pick pause, click OK. If you want to get started adding foreground effects to an existing photo or video, you can click on open library, or you can click on not for now, and then I want to show you how you can remove a background, add it to an existing background within the app, and then add foreground effects. So let me show you both ways. So for now, let's add foreground elements on top of an existing picture. So here we have this right here. You can resize however you want. Let's maybe keep it like this. We can always crop out the video, the black lines from the video after it's processed. So you say you want color. So, oh yeah, we want to go here, make sure, oh yeah, the next thing you want to do, click on the PicPulse button, make sure it's on. Okay, it's on. And make sure to go to email and enter the email address that you used to purchase PicPulse, because that will unlock all of the paid content. So to reiterate, when you're first in this home screen right here, there are two things you want to do. Number one, go to the gear icon, enter your email, because that'll unlock all of the paid content here. Second thing you want to do is click on the PicPulse button, make sure it's on. Okay, so now let's go back to the picture that we had. We just go to your background, click on this, resize it. So let's do something colorful. So what if we go to, what if we go to water and liquids? So water and liquid. You can also search for a color within the magnifying glass right there, within foregrounds. So what if we do, okay, water and liquids. So what if we do Color Paints Explosion HD. Color Paints Explosion SD is the same thing, except it's a little bit lower megabyte file size, which is better for phones which are maybe a little bit older, for example. So, and once you download an effect, you never have to download it ever again. I mean, you never have to wait for it to be downloaded. So because Color Paints Explosion HD, this is like one of our more high megabyte file sizes, which is why it'll take about 30 seconds to download. And we're almost done there. You can see the bar getting smaller and smaller. Okay. And now we can rotate it, resize the foreground, and that's it. So let's say you like this scene, for example. All you have to do is hold the record button for 2 seconds. And then when you're satisfied with the length of the recording, just tap on the red button again. And it's going to say processing. Just wait for it to process. Okay. Then it should be saved to the camera roll. Okay, so let me show you where some more colorful effects are. So to remove a foreground effect, hold on it and then click the X that appears right there. So this is also like a very liquidy background. So what if we try Water Horse HD, 63.6 megabytes. Well, that kind of works. By the way, this is the recording which happened. Oh, here it is. So what we can do is crop out the black stuff. So just go here, So you got the, you know how to do this. Okay. This is the resulting video. Okay. So in terms of more colorful effects, you can also try out, what if we go to rainbows, rainbow flowers. Okay, I think that can kind of work. You can also maybe try those rainbow effects right there. Let's see what else we can do. What if we go to mystical? Oh, what about this one? So you'll notice that some effects, so this says butterfly explosion 70.6 megabytes, and this says butterfly explosion 194 megabytes. So the reason is because we have these variations of the same effect, is because this effect, the 70.6 megabyte file, will take less time to download. Here. Okay. And let's say you want to use it again, just click again without a need to download it. Okay, so I think the butterfly explosion can work well. Just pretty much any colorful element can work. What about pink magical butterfly? Okay, so I got the idea. So, okay. So the next thing I want to show you, which is really cool. So let's see. So we have this right here, artist color. So let's see what we can do with this. Okay. So let's choose a background which that bottle can be placed on. So we're gonna go to AI, let's go to the AI surfaces background category. And then what if we select rainbow table? Just click on it and then it appears. So basically your background and anything you download from here will show up as a background. And anything from here and here will show up as a foreground. So now let's create a custom foreground. So go to your foreground. So with this button here, you can upload PNGs, JPEGs, GIF files. But because the image you have already has a white background, we can use this AI scissor tool to remove the white background. Oh, something I forgot to do. So before you use the AI scissor tool, you want to save these to the files section of your device. So save to files, save right there. Okay, now we can go to the AI scissor tool and those images will appear. Okay, I just clicked on the bottle image that you sent to me, and now it's gonna remove the background. Okay. Now you can keep in mind, you can rotate it, move it however you want. So what if we do this right here? Make it really nice and big. Okay, I'm liking that. Now, eventually there will be a way to add AI generated shadows, but for now you can I think the trick to making it look natural, for example, just choose a background which fits in nicely with what you have right there. So you can also try something like, so by the way, whenever you click on a background category, there will be video preview and photo preview. So photo preview has all the photo versions of the backgrounds, and video preview has the videos that are associated with that background category. So you can play around with different backgrounds. So what if we do this one? I'm not liking, you said you want a lot of color. So what if we try, what if we try this one? There's not a lot of color, but let me show you what I think can work. Okay, so we put that there, and then what if we, keep the background simple, and then what if we add that color effect, which I showed you earlier? Or let me show you something new. What if we go to nature transitions? What if we do flowers full sequence? It's almost downloaded. Okay, I think that's twisted right there. And that's it. I think, you know. So I know, like, artists, my mom is an artist. She obviously uses the paint to create amazing imagery. So what if, like, this is kind of like the flowers are popping out, and these are like the type of colors you can make using that pigment. Okay. Let's play around some more. What if we go to sparkle and particle effects? What if we, keep in mind, you can also have multiple foreground effects at the same time. So what if we do this one? Okay, twist it a little. Then what if we do this purple one? Twist it a little. And, oh, okay, I think I kind of like that. That's a cool scene. Another scene which, and oh yes, a cat, I don't know how I forgot this. Okay, go to powder and click on maybe any one of these. I think can work. So 41. Okay, that's not bad. What if we choose another background? Keep in mind, you can also choose your background from here. Obviously this doesn't make sense, but you get the idea. Actually, this, maybe not, but you get the idea. So let's maybe go to AI surfaces. That's one of my new favorite background categories. And what if we do neon table vertical? Oh. Okay. What if we also do something like neon e-commerce text, like almost out of stock? Like that right there. And then what if we add a cool sparkle effect maybe? Let me see. Oh, what if we do colorful spiral lines? Oh, I think that can work. Let me see if we can rotate it, kind of make it be like emanating from the actual bottle. Okay, maybe that's like a little bit too much color, but you get the idea here. And I noticed, so right now there's a bug so using the AI scissor tool with video backgrounds, that's something that's brand new to the app. So the app the video processing may fail for a scene like this, but that issue will be fixed this week. Let's see if it works. So, okay, keep in mind it may not work. Keep in mind that I'm well aware of this issue when you use video backgrounds with custom foreground effects. So let's see if it works. Okay, that actually worked. Okay, so bottom line, you may see a video processing issue. If you do see a video processing issue, delete and reinstall the app. And keep in mind we are, let's see if I can replicate that issue. And keep in mind that I'm well aware of that issue when you do video backgrounds. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, now it worked. So anyways, I'm well aware that there is an issue for some video backgrounds for video processing. And by the way, if you want to take a picture, just tap, and then it'll take a picture. And let's see if it worked. Yep, it all worked. Okay, so that's it. Please let me know if this helps.